All right, let's dive into the best and fastest outreach methods for you guys to start landing clients ASAP. And if you want to fill up your schedule quickly, you're going to have to be proactive about it. So that's going to mean hitting the streets and putting your face and card in front of as many homeowners and business owners as possible. The most effective ways to do this, number one, is door knocking. This is honestly the fastest way for you to get clients today. Number two, flyers. It's a more passive method that brings in clients even when you're not working, but it does take time, so don't just rely on the flyers alone. Number three, business cards. They're a simple but powerful way to get your business out there and for your clients to refer you to other friends and stuff. So business cards, definitely do it. Number four is cold calling and DMing. This one and door knocking are my personal favorites because they're super effective in their own ways, because reaching out directly to businesses and homeowners through calling, texting, DMs, or whatever can generate you business without you leaving your house. And finally, at number five, we have email outreach. This is a super solid way for you guys to build relationships with property managers and high-ticket clients over time without always having to go out there physically. But keep in mind, for the first time that you meet them, nothing beats the face-to-face. So just try to make sure that you're meeting them face-to-face for the first time. After that, you can just call them and it's whatever. I actually went ahead and put together a PDF with some scripts, flyer templates, and business card examples so you guys can just copy, tweak them, and make them yours. Plus, I am going to be adding some Canva designs for your flyers and business cards, so you guys can just grab them, edit them, and print them out. And then you guys can just get them ordered or whatever you're going to do with them. All right, now let's get into each method. Door knocking is going to be your easiest and fastest way to get clients as soon as possible. And like I said, nothing beats the face-to-face interaction because it builds instant trust. That makes it way easier for you guys to close deals, and people are going to be much more likely to say yes once they see that you're a real person and not just a random caller or an ad online, Some places to go, guys, would be middle class and wealthy areas. Those people care much more about their places being presentable and are willing to pay for window cleaning, especially because most of them don't want to do it themselves or don't have the time. Look for homes with larger windows or ones that obviously need cleaning. Those are going to be easy sells. High foot traffic shopping areas are also great because you can literally go door to door and offer your services and just give them a demo right there on the spot if you really need to. Just make sure that if they ask you to do it that same day, try to schedule them for after you're done door knocking so that you guys can just keep stacking those jobs in that same area while you're there, and then afterwards you can just get them done. Quick tip, make sure that you guys look the part. You don't need to have a fancy uniform or anything, but a clean shirt, some work pants, and a friendly, confident attitude is going to go a long way, and it's going to make a great impression to your potential clients. And for what to say when you're door knocking, I put a full script in the PDF below, so just check that out. Another pro tip, guys, always carry a spray bottle, a towel, and a squeegee for you guys to clean a section of their dirtiest window right there on the spot when you guys do the demos. This is instantly going to set you apart from everyone else, and it makes it that much harder for them to say no. Flyers are going to be your passive marketing that works for you 24/7 because a well-designed flyer is going to help you stand out within the pile, and they keep your business in front of potential clients long after you've left. Even if they don't book you immediately, guys, they can remember you from your flyer when they need window cleaning, and you'll be the first one that they call. That's the whole point of the flyer. Especially if you put something catchy in their mind, you're good. Some good places to put your flyers are going to be, number one, front doors of your targeted neighborhoods. For example, if you're there door knocking and no one's home, you can leave a flyer and you can still get a call, but just try to avoid mailboxes because it is illegal in most areas, and it does look a little suspicious, especially if you're in a nicer area. There's always going to be that Karen that's watching you. Local businesses are also good. Coffee shops, gyms, real estate offices, hardware stores, places like that. Pro tip, keep your flyers simple, clean, and straight to the point, guys, because too much info is going to make people ignore them. And for some examples of the flyers, designs or whatever, you can check out the PDF below. I also included some Canva templates in there so you guys can go ahead and use those. Business cards are going to be your silent salesman because some people might not book you on the spot, but a well-placed business card is going to keep your contact info in their pocket for when they do need you. Some good places to hand out your business cards would be local businesses and realtors. They're great because they work with homeowners directly and they can easily refer you on a constant basis. Also, give out your card to like anyone who's showing interest, or if you're at a job or whatever and someone asks about your service, give them a card instead. Don't just like give them your number. That way they have something physical to take from the interaction. And after every job you complete as well, you can give a few to the customer and ask them to share your info with their friends. Pro tip, never leave the house without your business cards. Keep them in your wallet, keep them in your work truck, keep them everywhere, keep them in your butt, so that you're always ready to hand one out. Like when people ask you or whatever, boom, business card. Oh yeah, business card. Oh, hi, how's the weather? Business card. And again, for the examples of the business cards, I also put some Canva templates in the PDF below so you guys can check them out. Cold calling and DM outreach lets you connect with clients without leaving your house, guys. Like a quick phone call or a DM can put you in front of a decision maker instantly, way faster than waiting for them to call you. Some good targets would be like restaurants, cafes, and storefronts. Their windows get pretty dirty like really fast, and they do need regular cleaning, so they're perfect. Property managers and real estate agents are also great because they control multiple properties and they can easily send you repeat business. Luxury home service companies like landscapers, pool guys, pressure washers, stuff like that, these guys already work with high-paying clients that you're looking to work with, so they can easily also refer your business too. Pro tip, make sure that you're calling between 9 and 11 a.m. or between 2 and 4 p.m. because those are the best times to reach business owners and also people that are just at their house and just doing whatever they need to do, you know? Email outreach is really good for landing big clients because they let you reach higher level decision makers like property managers, HOAs, and business owners who might not just be answering calls. Some good email targets are going to be commercial property managers because they manage multiple buildings and they need regular cleaning services. Hotels and high-end apartment buildings because they need their windows cleaned often to maintain like a clean, presentable look. And finally, HOAs and neighborhood associations because they can refer you to multiple homeowners at once. Like all it takes is for them to send out a mass email or a mass text and you're locked in. Pro tip, follow up 3 days later if they didn't respond to your first email. The money is in the follow-up, guys. Always remember that. In any business, the real money is always in the follow-up. I also included some email templates in the PDF below. Final takeaway, guys, at the end of the day, the fastest way for you guys to land clients is to take action daily. Whether it's knocking on doors, handing out your flyers, cold calling, or DMing, the more people that you reach out to and get your face in front of, the more money that you're gonna make. It's as simple as that. Make sure you guys check out the PDF below the video for all the scripts, flyer templates, and business card examples that I added for you, as well as the Canva designs. That way you guys can just copy them, edit them, and make them yours. And that's about it for the outreach. Now get out there and start locking in those fucking jobs. Let's get it.